Hey guys, it's Star and Bookie Bob here to announce the August birthday travel swag giveaways. Firstly, Bookie Bob wants to let you guys know to look out for wave season. If you guys are unfamiliar, wave season is a great time to book cruises. So keep your eyes peeled because we'll be dropping a lot of discounts and offers and promotions in the group. So again, you guys keep your eyes out for that. Now, with that being said, let's start with the giveaways. We had several entries this month, but unfortunately only one entry was valid. So because of that, I want to reiterate the rules. Okay, so there are 3 rules. The first rule is you must be a member of the Stamp Chasers group. Second rule, it must be your birthday month. And lastly, the third rule is you must be the one to enter your own birthday in the group. Okay? So with that being said, the winner of this month's birthday entry is Vonya. So congratulations, Vonya, on winning the August birthday travel swag giveaway. And because of the fact that we had several entries and yours was the only valid one, we decided to come up with a custom swag bag for you. So with that being said, this is your cruising in style sail bag. Isn't this bag so cute? So inside of the bag, we've added a few different knickknacks in here, like calendars and magnets, something you definitely love. And we have pens and just all little knickknacks in here that we think that you really enjoy. So we can't wait to get you your travel swag bag. And again, we just want to say happy birthday to you. We want to make sure that you guys are liking, commenting, and we want to make sure that you're getting your friends and family to enter the group and enter on these birthday giveaways so you guys can try and win something, okay? So again, happy birthday, Vonya, and we'll see you guys next month.